Hello everyone and welcome to another video. It's going to be a very interesting one. We're going to install and configure virtual agent chatbot, probably the most basic workable version. And I'm not going to lie, the amount of time it will take me to install and configure will be less than the amount of time it will take me to edit this video. So we go to the plugin and we search for virtual agent. You will see there is a virtual agent and there is a virtual agent lite. The primary differences between the two of them are NLU capability and the wide array of topics that are available. For this video, we'll just go ahead with the Glide chat because the Glide virtual agent because it installs everything. So we will let that get installed. Alright, now that we have the virtual agent installed, let's see what comes out of the box after installation. Okay, so that's all we get. Let's see if I go to designer, I may find some topics there. Let's see. All right, so I'm getting a lot of them, and let's see which one of them are active. Any active ones? Any? Not a whole lot, right? And if you would notice, you don't see those ITSM related conversations. So what we are going to do, we will install a couple of more plugins, and those would help us get the predefined, pre-canned conversations. We can always edit them, but we just don't have to develop them from scratch. So let me type conversation. Let's see what I get. Well, there's so many of them that have the conversations. So let's type in virtual agent and see what comes up. Okay, so you could always use the NLU version, but maybe for another video. For this one, we'll just install the topic light because it will give us all those base conversations like report an issue or view my incident, something of those sorts. So let's install it. All right, so now that it is installed, let me go back to my previous screen, refresh it, see what kind of topics have been introduced. Seems like we did get some. Let's see. So select type, I'll do active, and I'll do this guy. Oh, we didn't see anything here. It says search a catalog item, request catalog item, and oh, because they aren't active. That's why. Okay, so now we see that we have two topics that are fairly straight: check ticket status and report an issue. So we'll go to both of them, we will activate them, and we will publish them. Publish. Same thing we'll do for the other guy, report an issue, active, publish. Okay, so now we do have some topics that are published, and let's see which ones are the active ones. Oh, so many of them. So what we'll do is we will quickly check whether the bot is responding, and that opens the bot. Okay, so when I say show me everything, it will tell me everything that is there. So report an issue, create ticket status. I can click on create ticket status. Check ticket status. Sorry. It says it has 2 against my name, an incident or a requested item. I'll do the incident. Okay, great. So it seems like our bot is set up and it is working. Now let's go on to the next step. So now that we have the virtual agent set up, let's set it up on the portal. There are primarily 2 ways to do it. First is you can go to the portal itself and then you can add the widget. The second one is by adding the agent as a property. So let's go here and we see CSM CSP, and we will add a new value to it and we will select our portal in it. So we can name it as OQVA, and we will select our portal, which will be maybe this one. Order if you have multiple of them, that's what the order lets you do. I will leave the server script as is. It allows the values to be passed to the virtual agent chatbot from your current page, and I will hit submit. So from here, let's look at the portal and see if our chatbot actually shows up there or not. Okay, so we see the widget there. That's one good thing. Let me click on it and see what's happening. Alright, so our portal is set up. Let me try this all over again. Yeah, right. Okay, so show me everything. I would say report an issue. And again, these configurations are all out of the box. Please describe whatever. We'll just let this guy finish. No. Yes. I was taking quite a while. Okay, so my incident has been created again. So this is all out of the box configuration. This is not ready to be productionized yet. It hasn't been tested. It hasn't been tailored to your organization's need. That again is a process and configuration oriented thing where you need to design topics. But hey, as a first pass, just to show and move around and see how the virtual agent looks like, this is pretty good. So again, thank you everyone for watching the video. Please let us know if there's any special topic that you would like to see. Until next time.